holiday gift for a loved one or for yourself, look no further. Stay tuned, guys. So what do we have in store today? I have two goodie bags, this and this, okay? And what's the difference? A white and a black? You find out. Okay, so we're looking at affordable luxury, okay? I love to save money, but I also love to find luxury items that, speaks to me and makes me happy. So what did I get myself this holiday season? Okay, let's have a look. I'm going to unbox this and ta-da! It is a pre-loved Chanel long wallet, okay? I've been looking for a black caviar leather long wallet that is of a good price for the longest time. And I found this recently in Singapore in the pre-loved store. I did all my homework and you can see it's the gold hardware. It's caviar leather, and when I pop it open, it's got that beautiful brown maroon leather and the authenticity card that comes along with it, okay? And also not to forget the holographic sticker. So this series is series 16, which was 2012. And for me, I always buy my pre-love about 10 years or more. That means 10 years ago or more, because the quality of Chanel then is so much better. So you can smell it. The leather is vintage kind of feel. You can smell it. The leather texture is so good. And even inside, the leather is so good. So we have all these card holders here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little coin purse, pouch also. Okay, everything is still in pretty good nick. A few creases, okay. But mind you, this is actually about 11 years old. All these little side pockets. There's even like a little pocket behind, okay. And if you look in here where you put your money, okay, the only thing about this is there's a slight tear in this crease. I'm looking to perhaps bring it to my regular repair shop to get it fixed, perhaps stitched, or I don't know what they can do, glue or something like that, okay? But other than that, that slight tear, everything is perfect. I love it. And do stay tuned. I can actually turn this into a wok. And guess what? I only paid 700 Sing dollars for this, which is about USD 500 plus, and it's very hard to find a wallet for that price nowadays at the Chanel boutique. And the quality, this is definitely far superior than the new ones, which will cost you at least 2,000. A wallet on chain would cost you maybe even, I don't know, 3,000 plus, 4,000. So you can turn this into a wok for a few extra dollars and it's gonna be so beautiful. All right, so that's my first score for myself this holiday season. Very, very happy with that. And what's next? Ta-da, what's in this goodie bag? Okay, so black, for those of you who are newbies to Chanel, the black box and the black bags, paper bags, which I don't have one currently in this home in Saudi Arabia. The black ones are for the fashion and leather goods. And the white is for Chanel Beauty, right? So ta-da, what do I have? So pretty, I really love this. So I was walking at the mall in Singapore and I found, they were having a display, a Chanel display and roadshow. And I fell in love, firstly, with the charm, right? It's so pretty. And this is a free gift, the charm. Okay. If you spend $200 or more at the store, and it comes with a gift box and everything. So what did I get? Guys, girls, I got myself, okay, I love Chanel Beauty makeup and also the fragrance, but what did I get today? I got myself a, okay, the iconic perfume. Chanel number 5, okay? I have most of the Chanel perfumes, and why I got the Chanel number 5 this round is because it came with a hand mist, which I absolutely love, okay? To complement. So, for all of you who love beauty as much as I do, I love to spray my perfume and complement it with hair mist because it makes the whole experience and more beautiful and the fragrance longer lasting. So this is the smaller bottle, okay? I paid, I think it was maybe $170 for that. Sorry, 195 Singapore dollars for the eau de parfum, the Chanel number 5, and I paid $86 Singapore dollars for the complementing hair mist, okay? Ta-da! So you can see the hair mist is 35 mils and the eau de parfum is 50 mils, okay? And this would last you at least half a year if you use it every day. And I paid total $280 for the set, which is probably 250 or less, 200 and maybe 40 USD, okay? So this was wonderful. And just to let you know that at the Chanel boutique, they also have Coco Mademoiselle, okay? With the complementing hair mist and perfume. Yeah, so you can also get this set if you love a more fruity scent. But if you want a more floral scent, do get the iconic Chanel number 5. I do love my Coco Chanel, and I am waiting for the hair mist, okay? Chanel, please, you know, get your act together and get the hair mist done because I will be your first customer. Okay, guys, so that's it for my Christmas shopping. Or holiday shopping actually, because I was in Singapore for holiday. And the best bit is for this charm, if you have a gold chain, which I currently don't have on me because I am traveling, and you can use it to wear it as a necklace, right? How cool is that? Okay, so I'm just using the ribbon for now. And honestly, you can also use this black ribbon as a choker, right? I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, honestly, some people wear chokers, right? Okay. And, okay, let me sort this one out. And there you go. Sorry, my hair's in the way. So what other good stuff that came with the, all the free gifts that, besides this, pendant, okay, which you can use as a necklace or you can even hang it on your Chanel bags. They did give me some free samples, perfume, okay, this is one of the new Chanel perfumes, and some skincare serum and what's this? Hydra Beauty Essence, okay? And what I love most is that it also came with a postcard and look, a Christmas decoration. So pretty. Okay, guys, so I got my golden ticket, and that is my wonderful Chanel shopping spree on a budget, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for many more shopping expeditions. And Chanel is one of my favorites, but so are other luxury brands. And I love my pre-love. Do recycle, do buy, you know, sustainable items, fashion, because you are doing good to this world. Okay? Cheers, guys. Like and subscribe till I see you again. Bye.